The Apiuek Electric Pressure Washer, 3800 psi, is a highly efficient cleaning tool, powered by a robust 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor that generates up to 3,800 pounds per square inch and 2.4 gallons per minute of water flow, ensuring quick and effortless removal of stubborn grime. This washer features an upgraded foam cannon that produces thicker and denser foam, which stays longer on the surface for an enhanced cleaning performance. It comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, each designed for a specific cleaning task, making it a versatile tool for cleaning various surfaces from hard surfaces to cars. The Apiuek washer offers 3 water-sucking ways, allowing it to connect to a faucet for self-priming or use bucket or pool water if a faucet is not available, providing flexibility in various cleaning situations. This electric pressure washer is not only ideal for cleaning sidewalks, cracks, metal, concrete, fences, cars, furniture, and windows, but also highly portable, enabling you to move it to any location. Considering its outstanding features and performance, the Apiuek Electric Pressure Washer 3800 psi offers excellent value for its price, backed by positive customer reviews and a high review score of 4.3.